Hello, this is Rakesh Gumatkar. Today's topic is how to search candidates while you by how to search candidates by using company search feature on LinkedIn in LinkedIn. How to search candidates using company search feature in LinkedIn. Many a times we are able to find good candidates if we focus on right type of companies. Typically, LinkedIn is used to find the candidate. So we put certain keywords and we try to find the candidates. But candidate is useful only if he has right amount of experience, right type of skills in certain size of company. Then only the candidate is useful because companies work in certain industry. And in that, if you hire a person from your direct competitor, he is more useful because he has similar kind of experience and then he can be more productive also. So generally in executive search or senior level search, typically companies when they want to search, recruitment companies when they want to search candidates, they will first make the list of target companies and then they will find the candidates. Generally this is not used at a junior level search where we are looking for a Java developer, .NET developer or digital marketing person from any company. It's not important there to find the company, but when you are looking for senior level hiring, finding the right company is more productive because the chances of selection of that person are high and the person will have right type of skills. So today I will search for one position where we are looking for a pre-sales person from a company which has sales CRM or sales enablement software for finance and insurance domain industries or BFSI domain. And this is a really good, tough search where we are not able to find many people with the keywords because even if the candidate has right type of skills, his company would not be right. And then we have to keep searching. And after looking at 100 profiles, we get a couple of profiles. That's really unproductive. So other way, now this feature is not known to many people, I believe, because it was not there. It has again, I think, introduced by LinkedIn in last couple of months, maybe. I was not so active in hands-on LinkedIn search, but this is the search which we used to do in the past. So I will tell you that sales enablement is the you can say right word here. We can also use sales CRM, right? Both work. So we just put sales enablement in a normal LinkedIn search. The best part is if you use this search, you don't need paid account. You know, this is a trick what not many people realize. So we say because my target is to find first the company which has sales enablement SaaS software or cloud software, which is used by financial domain companies or any other company for that matter. So I just put the word sales enablement here and I say click on companies, right? So this is actually showing how this search works, that all companies have about page on LinkedIn and there they describe about what is their company into. So there is a about us, and then some keywords are there and LinkedIn picks up those words from that about page of companies. Each company, even if it has one employee on LinkedIn, will have a company page. They will automatically create, and later as a owner of that page you have to you have to write the description about your company and you can make it look more professional. So that's how it works. So now we have 1500 companies across the world, but no, our target is to find in USA. In USA, client said start with New York first. So we are starting with New York State here. It can be New York State or New York metropolitan area. I will go with New York United States because I'm sure companies would be very less here because the word is very specific. So what has happened? There are 63 companies, but these 63 companies, if you see, they are from various industries: civil and social organization, information services, management consulting. So no, we want the company which has a software. So what we can further do, we can filter companies by industries. Let's say computer software. Then we have IT in information technology. Then there is another industry we got Lots of product software product companies categorize themselves as internet because their product is used mainly through internet or on internet. So we have this company, then we have this is we are looking for somebody or some company which is selling to financial services, and sometimes IT companies categorize themselves as financial services for some reason if they are a financial product company. So just not to miss such companies, I'm going to select financial services, insurance. Then maybe I think I will still no investment banking. Okay, fine. It may not. It is a long shot, but fine. So we have. Okay, now I will do the search. Show results. So there are 8 companies from New York area. Somewhere they have mentioned sales enablement in their uh, what I can say about page. Now this company foundation is not suitable because it's mentioning sales enablement solutions, but not necessarily IT, or it's not a software they have. But other companies, at least their industries seem right. Now, even here, I can tell you that not all of them would have pre-sales people because they might have less number of employees, or they may not have the need of. But see here, now this company, Seismic and Pitcher AG, these are right target companies. Or even we can even look at Zoomify Corporation, then Extiva Financial Systems we can look into. Now, here I'm not going to describe about whether company is suitable or not. Objective is to how to use LinkedIn's free search option using company search to find right candidates. Now, let's say this company. Now, what happens? We have come to the company's page. This company we found in the search because somewhere they have mentioned that keyword sales enablement. Now, the trick is the company is industry's leading sales enablement platform. Now 942 people. So with this size of kind of company, they would definitely have lots of people uh, in USA and across the world if it's a global company. So you click on people. Just note this. You click on people. So all 942 employees get listed below. Now there are 673 people are in USA. So we can in fact click on United States. So now it is going to search within United States employees of this company. So now out of 942, 673 are in USA. Now here I will try couple of queries. Sometimes it is confusing. So I will just start with pre-sales, or I will say pre-sales, okay, or I can say sales engineering. I think this or works. If not, you can use one single word and look at the profile. So let's say United States people with pre-sales in their keywords who are within United States, then we got 88 employees. Now all these people would not be suitable because they will be of different titles. These guys would be of different titles, so they may not be suitable. But see this guy, senior sales engineer Jeremy, he seems to be suitable provided his location is matching, right? So if I open this profile, I might get lucky. I know that okay, he is sales engineer with the right type of company. The company is claiming itself to be the leader in sales CRM or enablement software. So it's in Rhode Island, United States. Now, right now, actually, the client said uh, any location would do, but start with United States. But the guy is suitable, so I don't want to miss him or forget him later. So I'm just looking at the profile. So he seems to be suitable in terms of the years of experience. Company is definitely suitable, and he's a sales engineer guy. So I will save this person. Okay. Then I can look at this picture company. There are 76 employees. Now there is another way of doing it. Now, if this is going to take time and you want to be more specific, you can go to click on this see all 942 employees on LinkedIn of this company because the company is right. Now we just need to find the pre-sales guy. So we come back to the normal LinkedIn. We are still not using paid LinkedIn recruiter or sales navigator account. So now we have all these filters available here. The people are from United States, so okay, this filter is available. United States company seismic because it's the right type of company. And I believe in free also you have titles available. I've not used it much here. Okay, So let's see if how many pre-sales guys we get, and if the location is there here. Yeah, okay, great. So we can say New York, United States. Let's try to cover all the New York where that comes. Okay. I know it's redundant, but you never know. So select everything you get, are able to get it. You know, I think New York, United States should cover. Okay. So we have seen what we have done. Of course, location, city, right company, and in the titles we are putting presets. And we say, okay, we just say press enter, show results. Okay, fine. No results found. Okay, fine. Okay, what I can do, since I have paid LinkedIn account, I can go to recruiter actually and look for people. Okay, now the company is, I can take it from here. Okay, and then I can find, I think they have taken the company. Yeah, yes, they have taken it. So here, since I have paid account, I can say New York, United States, and pre-sales. No candidate found. So I can say sales, because sometimes companies don't give that specific title what we want. That's the problem. Okay. Now we are also okay with associate sales engineer. So I think we I found the right company. If okay, this particular client said look for USA, but start with New York. And luckily, I have now four people from New York for this position. Some of them might be senior, some of them might be, oh, this guy is not suitable. This guy is not suitable because he's a director level. And if I see here, he started his career in 2004, so he's out of question. This guy, okay, yeah, he might be suitable because he's an associate sales engineer. He's not a auto accounts executive, so he would have some technical knowledge what company is looking for. And this Bradley, also, he started career in 2014, solution consultant, seismic. Company is right, so this guy would have experience of now. What happens is that this guy may not be suitable because he work life sciences. We have to now ensure that they are selling to financial. So it might happen that when I open this person's profile, he may not be relevant because this is a very specific position where we not only are looking for sales CRM software companies, but they should be selling to financial domain. So we need to look into his uh, summary or background, what he is doing. So if you see it here, PayPal is a financial, uh, you know, kind of. Okay, so maybe we can try this. Okay, this is definitely we can try this person. So this is how. Okay, we can take another example of another company for that matter. Okay, so we once we get this person, the Zoomifier Corporation. It's in San Francisco. So we can look into this company. There are only 20 employees. So there is no point in putting the search. We can quickly scroll through all the employees. Nobody is there. With the sales uh, director of sales, no pre-sales person is there. We'll go back to the search. This search. Where are the companies? Oh, okay, let's look at this company. 54 employees. They are in New York. Leading financial companies achieve more. Exactly, this company will work out. Leading financial service companies. Now, what remains is only look at these 54 employees. They are in New York. They are now we have to look for a pre-sales guy from this, which is fairly easy. We found the right company using LinkedIn. Now, looking for a pre-sales guy from this company would be fairly easy. So, I will again go back. Okay, right? So there are 8 results because we are okay. What happens with suppose we put this is very specific. Suppose I say I'm not putting cloud and SaaS because it's mostly products are cloud and SaaS nowadays. So sales CRM. Okay. So there are three companies with sales CRM technology from New York. I'm sure if I say United States, there will be tons of companies. So there is huge scope. Now this company very less follow add stack or something, but Rainmaker Force 188 followers means company is not going to be so big because as your size increases, your followers increase. Or you're a startup company, so you're not known with only 7 employees. Okay, and chances of they selling to financial are very less because size of the company is very small. So still there is no harm in looking at. Okay, so tip for the team is use this when you are looking for the right type of company. That understand this. This is first find the right type of company. If the company is selling right type of product, right type of services, it is from the right location, and that company would always have some kind of person what we are looking for. So if you want to get better results, use this search, sales CRM. Okay, let's say for the United States. Okay, and I say sales CRM. There are 50 companies across USA. Okay, now just not to lose anybody, I can or any company. Not this is we are looking for company, not person. So there are 91 companies. Okay, so you can actually, if you want more results to come and look into this, now see exactly what I said. This CLO real estate sales CRM. So I selected certain industries. So this company did not come. Okay, this company is not useful, but that's what I'm saying that not always a sales CRM company, which is basically an IT company, will categorize themselves as a IT company. They might categorize themselves as a real estate because they're targeting real estate customers. So they will say we are a real estate, we help for real estates, right? So this way you can increase. Now what we can do, just now there are so many companies. One way what else we can do is USC. I'll tell you if you want to be specific, and the search is very specific. So let's see sales CRM across USA. How many are there? So I just want to be sure that the search is executed. So there are 91 companies across USA without any industry which are into sales CRM. Okay, now what if I do finance? Will it give me more focused companies? Yes, it is giving me some companies. So somewhere sales CRM and finance is mentioned. Okay, okay. So this company might be useful for us. Not sure. Okay, now this sales CRM is the second preferred word, but we want element is the spelling correct and finance. What happens? Yes, there are still 25 companies across USA. It's not USA somehow. Fine. 11, right? Across USA with sales enablement somewhere, finance somewhere. So what happens? Suppose we put banking. Will it work? It might give 1 or 2 companies, 7 companies in the USA. And if we say, okay, sales enablement is the target, we don't want to miss companies because not everybody will say everything, because about page is very limited. So they will not write all the industries where they sell into. So if we say companies in USA with sales enablement in their word somewhere, but these are all industries, right? 814. Again, we can narrow it by computer software information technology. So there are 151 companies, right? And one more, we can do one thing. Since it's across USA, we can be more specific. There are 25 companies across USA with information technology and computer software with CRM, because this will be exactly what our client is, who is into same kind of, they have this, and it's an Indian company. Okay, so just to not to miss companies again, I can. So this is what you have to use. If not this, that, you have to use your logic. Once you know the trick, so I'm telling the trick, but you have to use your logic that okay, let me do this, let me do that way, to increase the more. Either you can have a narrow search, like right now I came from a wide search to a narrow search where I'm restricting to. First I did not restrict, later I restricted. So there are 33 companies across USA with sales enablement, CRM, and all these are into financial and internet. So even if let's say we are able to look at these companies over the period, there are 33 companies. At least we should be getting 10 people, but they'll be exactly suitable, right? These people you may not be able to find using normal candidate search, because this sales enablement, this industry, you may not be able to always look into. You might find, but this is better because if the company is suitable, for example, sales eye, sales enable, sales conversation, right? So company suitable. Now, what is the challenge? And what is the challenge? If they have a pre-sales guy, if they have a pre-sales guy, he will have similar kind of domain knowledge. And if they are selling to financial, nothing like it. Because if the company is right, and even if the person has not written clearly that he sells to financial companies, we can take a chance. We can at least approach him, right? Rocket Reach is a product, very good product. We use it. We use it for email search and all. So this is how, what we can do is we can actually use this company search approach to find the right companies. Again, I'm insisting, use this company search approach in normal LinkedIn. You don't need a paid account. That's the beauty of it. You don't need a paid account to search the companies and then find the person. This is the best way of finding the people in the shortest possible time than going through a candidate search and all the filters and all. That is useful for, that is also useful. I'm not saying it's not useful, but this is a trick. So I hope you learn from this, and what I have to tell the team is that this is how you can be more productive in the same time what you are working on a daily basis. And believe me, this is a global search practice. Whatever companies I have worked at a global level, or we worked as a team, they will first start with identifying the right companies and then find the person. So their approach is find the right company, you will get the right people, right? And if we use the same approach for searching people, this may not work for technical position. But now let's say now we have a client actually in Bangalore and in Pune, where they are looking for network security people, or candidates who have worked in network security companies, right? Network security is a very niche domain. So instead of looking at the candidate, putting network security in the keywords in candidate search, you find the network security company with this approach and then find the person. So network security Pune. So all the network security companies in Pune will be seen here. Then you can find a Java guy from there, CC++ guy, systems engineer. All those people you can find it easily. So this approach only works for niche position where there are, now some company says we want Java guy. They are not saying that we want a Java guy from network security or finance domain, or he needs to have experience on financial domain project. So there you can get any Java guy and arrange his interview. But if the company has specification that he should have a domain knowledge, he should have a particular domain knowledge, he should be from certain kind of company with certain kind of products, then this will come in play. So this is going to be useful for niche positions and not generic Java, .NET automation testers. Even in automation testers, companies sometimes want people with network security. So that is where it will come in use. So I hope you use this, and please use this. This is really going to help us, and all our senior recruiters are using it. All our they know they make the best use of this. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.